If you try to forward voice messages on Instagram but couldn't find your way around it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to forward voice messages on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once opened, let's say you are from the home page, then go ahead and click on the paperclip icon to go to your inbox. Now, on your inbox, locate the voice message you want to forward. This. Press and hold it. Then you should see the forward option pops. Click on it. Now, you should see where you can easily forward this to on Instagram. So, you can come here as well, search for the name of the user, or select a random user or the person you want to send the voice message to. So, let's say you have someone in your mind. Just come here and search for the person's name. So once the name pops, come here and select the real person. And then click on send. Then the voice message will be forwarded on your Instagram. And that's it. So that is exactly how to forward voice messages on Instagram. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.